Hi, how's it going? I wanted to reiterate for this video from the last video of how the styling works. Okay, so for example, today it's one of my friend's birthdays, and the first thing you have to do when it comes to styling, especially if you know a bunch of your friends have different styles, is read the room. So this is going to be one of my friends who likes to go out to the normal places downtown and just like a bunch of normies all get together and have fun, right? So what do you consider like a normal style? I would say minimalist, kind of like, even the bimbo core is a little bit on the normal side, but not really. I'm going to stick more towards the minimalist, but also bring a little twist into it. So first I'm going to show you a quick layout of the outfit. This is just the core outfit. I will add on accessories later. The outfit so far is just one of these Y2K pleated skirts. It's one of the mini skirts with a belt that's black, and then just a white crop tank top since it's hot out. So that is going to be the fit. It's still very minimalist. There's not many patterns. It's simple things put together. I'll add everything else on, but like I said, I put a Y2K twist in it because I don't know, it works. It's kind of like my thing, so it's what I feel comfortable with, and it's within standards of the whole reading the room kind of thing. Alright. I changed the shirt choice because I enjoy this polo a lot more, and also I kept cutting the other shirt a little too short, but I did want a white crop, and this still does it. And then a full view of this skirt. I want to say with skirts like these, I call them sensor bars for a reason. It just covers up the important bits. Wear shorts. Wear them underneath these. I've got little Holly Tea Time shorts underneath it because those are the smallest shorts I have. Thank you, Broccoli, for giving me that because they are comfy underneath here. But yes, so far it's kind of like, I want to say preppy, school, Y2K-ish. I'm going to add some more things on to make it seem Y2K. In the meantime, I'm going to go to my hair, so I'll be back with that. Alright, my hair is done. I always choose the long pigtails when I'm wearing a skirt particularly because they seem to frame everything but my legs, which make my legs look longer, and it just pretty much brings attention to the rest of the outfit that's all up here above the ponytails. Yeah, that's why they're my favorite. It literally frames any like good outfit that I have. They are like the drawstring ponytails. If you ever know where to find those are usually at local hair stores. Go ahead and find them. Find them in your hair color. They have different types. They have very curly ones, straight ones, all of that. These are 30 inches. I love them to death because it literally puts together an outfit like that. And next up is my makeup. Now that I look like a Bratz doll, this is essentially the entire look I have going on. I'm about to like throw on some shoes. But yeah, like I said, the key to styling is reading the room. One of my last Instagram posts, I was going to an 80s themed, or like it was a 70s and 60s themed party. So, let me remove you guys. So what I wore the whole entire day kind of matched what I was doing anyways. So it was definitely like a 60s inspired kimono, and I went over to go shopping at a little market and go thrifting, and we happened to stop by a record store, and I was like, this is very fitting. And then, like I said, read the room. But yeah, with this it's just very like Y2K. Like I said, I'm gonna add accessories. This is also gonna be on my Instagram. And yeah, like literally use that board when I say read the room. Use the boards on Pinterest. I'll once again put them below. Look up looks for wherever you're going, like Instagram posts, and see what people are actually wearing. Like just literally read the room. I'm still kind of not gonna be fitting in because I usually go above and beyond, but everyone's gonna love it either way. My friends are gonna have a good time, so am I. But yeah, that's all I want to say. Best thing about styling is reading the room. And sometimes if you don't and you step out of the room, people also love that. But also keep in mind that people are mean. They will criticize you just because you look different. And even if you look the same, but you look better than them. There's bitter people out in the world, so you just have to be able to be confident. Don't let them shake you. Don't let them bother you. Just don't pay them no mind and continue on with your day. I also wanted to bring up that I use the SZA makeup tutorial that I'll link below what video I used, because it was also a hair tutorial, but I was not going that far. Yeah, so I used the SZA makeup tutorial. I'll link it down below. And another thing I did is with my lashes. Fun fact, I always cut my lashes in half because I have so much trouble with them arching my almond eyes like to the corners, and it just lifts off the corners and tries to stay straight. I cut them in half and put them only on the edge of my eye. There's only like 4 little wafts there. I do that, and if it also struggles with staying straight or it kind of looks wonky, line it up more with your eyeliner rather than your actual eyelash. I might still look a little wonky. I really hope not, but that's my secret, and you guys could have that. I just want to do a quick styling thing. This is just an example, just one of many examples. Secret is read the room and go for it. Alright, like and subscribe. If you ever want me to see any of your stylings or anything like that, link your Instagram or anything below and I will check it out. I'll also start following people back on like YouTube. I've been doing it for my friends that have been following me, but if there's somebody that I do not know, I will continue to follow you. Just go ahead and link it below. And yeah, I guess I'm getting ready to go to my friend's birthday, so bye.